Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress effectively. First, selecting a reliable hosting provider is crucial for your website's speed and stability. Many hosts offer one-click WordPress installation, making setup incredibly simple. Then, choose a responsive theme. This ensures your site looks great on all devices, from desktops to mobile phones, providing an excellent user experience for everyone visiting your pages. Next, focus on creating compelling content that truly resonates with your audience. A well-thought-out content strategy is your foundation. Employ clear headings and concise paragraphs to enhance readability, making your information easily digestible. Remember to optimize all images, aiming for file sizes under 100 kilobytes to ensure your pages load quickly and keep visitors engaged without frustrating delays. Now, let's explore how plugins can significantly extend your WordPress site's functionality. Install essential plugins for security and search engine optimization to protect your site and improve its visibility. However, choose plugins judiciously. Too many or poorly coded ones can slow your site down. Always keep your plugins updated to benefit from the latest features and crucial security patches, ensuring smooth operation. Finally, maintaining your WordPress site's health and security is paramount. Always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection. Regularly backing up your entire website, perhaps weekly, safeguards against data loss from unforeseen issues. Consistently updating WordPress core, themes, and plugins is vital for security and performance, keeping your site robust and efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.